welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video. I have my first unboxing, or in this case an unbagging, and I have a package here from the gel bottle. Now many of my clients as well as my followers know that I have been supporting the gel bottle company for the past few months. I do purchase all of my gels myself. This is the first package that they have sent to me free of charge as a gift. I have quite a range of their polishes, and I was lucky enough to receive this one today, and this is their fall collection. So for you today, I'm going to open this up and give them a go, and I'll show you all the colors on my nails. So making sure we're not using our nails as tools, I have my little crane scissors, and we're going to open this up. Certainly could have used some more heavy-duty scissors for this, but it's what I have on hand. Alright, so normally when I order from this company, I do order in large volumes. I'm normally ordering at least 20 polishes or more. As far as I know, the fall collection contains 12 colors. So they have sent me a smaller package that they've bubble wrapped for me. I'll pop that later. So this is what their box looks like. They always label it, which is really nice. They've got my name on there, a little heart, which is sweet. So let's open this up. Okay, so the first thing I see as I open this up, there is a little note, two little pieces of paper here. So let's open one of them. So the first piece of paper is my receipt, my order. I won't show that because it does have my personal information on it. And then I have another one here. And this is from Mike. Mike is the gentleman I deal with when I call in. I do order over the phone. I like to have more of a personal touch with companies that I'm dealing with. This is originally a UK company. This is the top brand in the UK, but they do have branches all over the world. And I order from the US site, and Mike is one of the gentlemen that I deal with over there. So he writes, "Dear Cindy Lee, I wanted to thank you for being a long TGB customer and for possibly giving TGB an honest review of our products for your YouTube channel. Please find our new fall collection inside as a gift from us to you. I look forward to continuing our relationship as your thoughts, ideas, and artistry are highly valued. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about our products or just want to say hi, please feel free to contact me. Hope you are staying warm in Canada. Lots of love from the Gel Bottle team in sunny California." It is getting a little bit colder here, but it's still really nice. Thank you, Mike. So he has sent me that. That was very sweet of him. As I said, I do most of the time order over the phone, and I do call him directly. So let's take a peek into our fall collection here. Their boxes are really neat. They have this hidden compartment here where they house, if I can open it, some more polishes. So let's open these up. Now, I will say I have seen the polishes online, but this will be obviously my first impressions trying them out. So this is what it looks like. We have 12 colors here as promised. So let's take them out. I will start with one that I'm super excited about. This is their rose gold color. We can open this up and take a look at it. Ooh. So this color is very similar to their diamond collection. It is very, very sparkly. Show you there. All their bottles are the same. The way you find out the color is right on top. So that is rose gold. Right next to rose gold, we have pumpkin. Ooh, and that one is a bright orange, but a little bit darker. It's like a spiced orange, I would call it. Next, we have papaya, which has a yellow cap. Let's see. Ooh, that one's a very interesting one. It's a very bright yellow, similar to the daffodil color that they have, but this is slightly warmer. Very pretty. Beside that one, they've popped Pacific. I did have a sneak of this one online. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous blue. It's almost like a deep turquoise. Very, very pretty. Another one I was really excited for is Galaxy. I'm hoping to do these for my Halloween nails this year. There's a dark charcoal navy blue base with blue and silver shimmers. Next we have Heartless. This one has a purple cap. Let's see what color this one is. Ah, so that is a purpley pink on the very darker side, a very deep berry color. Very nice. Beside that we have Milky Way. Now I believe Milky Way is a topper polish designed to go on top of another color. Oh, now this one has got duochrome flakies in it. Very, very neat. I wouldn't be opposed to doing this just on the nail all by itself. It's highly pigmented. All of these polishes, they always say love at first coat, which I do enjoy. So today when I try the polishes on, I will do one coat so you can see what they look like. Next we have the nude. So this nude is more of a taupey nude, I would say. It's definitely a cooler tone and it is completely opaque by the looks of it. So it's not one of those sheer colors that you could ever use for a French. This is for a full coverage design. Next we have Cupid with a burgundy cap. Ah, see now this one I would describe as more of a raspberry tone. It's a darker pink, very, very pretty. Beside that one we have another one with a dark lid called Bonfire. I'm assuming this will be a red. And it is. So this is a nice deep blood red, I would call this one. Definitely a cooler toned red. Beside that one, we have Berrylicious, love that name. And now this is more of a mauve-y type of pink, more of a cream texture. Very pretty. And last for us to take a look at is Bamboo with a light green lid. Let's take a look at that. Oh, see now that is really nice. I would call that like an army green, not quite as brown as an army green is, but very nice. Bamboo actually describes it beautifully. Right, so I went ahead and I painted my nails. I did end up choosing the Bamboo color. So I have that here. This is with their Extreme Shine top coat and this is with their matte top coat. I will show you a close-up of those. I went ahead and I painted all my swatches of all 12 of the colors here. Now overall, I already know that these polishes do not disappoint. When they say love it first coat, they mean it. However, I would say that with the color Papaya, this one here, a second coat is recommended just to make sure you get that full opacity and there's no streakiness, but it's a beautiful color. These I did go ahead and paint with 2 coats so that you could see them all. I will show you a close-up, but I just love the glittery ones in this collection. They have the Rose Gold, Galaxy, and Milky Way. Milky Way here, I did do the second coat, as I said, so you can see that you can use that just to paint the whole nail without another color underneath. It's a really, really nice. For my nails that I did, I ended up also using their 3D painter gel. I did black on this side and white on this side, just to be different. And like I said, I used their matte top coat on that. So overall, I am over the moon that Gel Bottle sent me these polishes. I want to thank you and thank you, Mike, as well. This was very exciting for me. My first little sponsorship, I suppose you could call it. So thank you so much. I'd also like to thank Daisy's Nail Company. They are the owners and the creators of Gel Bottle. So I'd like to thank Daisy as well. And I can tell you right now, my clients already are wanting me to do their nails with these new fall colors. So if you'd like to see all my work, I do have an Instagram where you can check that all out. And I do tag Gel Bottle so you can see them there as well. And I'll leave a link to their profile down below. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.